Sai Ram, dear children of class 4. Let us start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Om. 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 Dear students, we have already completed the lesson jugs and mugs. Today, we will have a revision of the full lesson, and for that, we will discuss a worksheet first. Okay, is the worksheet visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Yes, children, I have it written any answers. We will discuss and you watch the video, listen to it very carefully, and after that you solve it yourself. Okay, but we will go through all the questions. So let us start our revision. Lesson, jugs and mugs revision. Okay. Fill in the blanks questions first. I have given you some fill in the blanks questions, but there are so many questions we can make extra also, but I selected some of them only. First one is A, standard unit of capacity. What is the standard unit of capacity? We have discussed it through the video also, through worksheet also. There are mostly the commonly used two units of capacity are liter and milliliter. Out of these two, liter is considered as the standard unit of capacity. So the answer will be liter. Then B question. L, capital L. You have used this capital L so many times in this lesson, and this capital L stands for dash. It stands for liter, L-I-T-R-E, liter, and M-L, small m, capital L. This also we have used so many times. This stands for dash, milliliter. You know the spelling? Milliliter. Okay, children? Now we are proceeding to the next question. 1000 ml. 1000 ml equal to dash liter. Normally, we say 1 liter is equal to dash ml. Here I have given in the reverse way. 1000 ml is equal to dash liter. How many liter? 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter. Very good. Then D. Question D. Question D is this one. 2500 ml is equal to dash liter dash milliliter. L for liter, ml for milliliter. So how many liter is there? Okay. So children, now I shall tell you a shortcut to convert a milliliter into liter and milliliter. Starting from the ones place, you count 1, 2, 3. And then between 2 and 5, you draw a line with your pencil. Okay. The number left of your line is liter, right of your line is milliliter. So here we are drawing the line. So how many liter? 2 liter and 500 milliliter. Because 2 liter is 2000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. That's the thing. The next question is, so what is your answer? 2 liter and here 500 milliliter. Then E, half a liter. Half of a liter. That means if a liter is 1000 ml, half of a liter means dash ml. How many ml? 500 ml. If the question is 1/4 of a liter, what will be your answer? 250 ml. 250 ml. 250 ml. If instead of half, if 3/4 is there, 3/4 of a liter, your answer will be 750 ml. That way, so many questions can be made. Now, F, 1 liter is equal to dash ml plus 300 ml plus 650 ml. This type of questions we have already done. So, we have to add these two. Okay. And I told you add 600 plus 300, you will get 900 and 150 is there, 950. Then from 950 you have to go to 1000. So what will be the answer here? 950 plus dash is 1000. 50. Very good. Very good. 50 ml. Okay. Now you can do it later. If I write the answer, you will just copy it. That's why I'm not writing. Okay. Then question 2. Name 4 activities that needs more than 1 liter of water. This type of the question we discussed in the book also. There are so many activities which need less quantity of water and which need more quantity of water. Here more than 1 liter of water is needed. Such activities we have discussed so many: washing utensils, washing clothes, and watering plants,
Bathing.
taking bath. Very good. This type you can write any. You can write some extra, some different also, but it should take more than 1 liter of water. That's all. Now, coming to question number 3, add or subtract. I gave the title like this because first question is plus, second question is minus. Okay, children, this type of addition you have already learned. How do you do it? You will write this one first, then below it, below the liters, you will write 30. Below 23 liter, you will write 30 liter according to the places without changing the place. Below 340 ml, you will write 655 ml without changing the place. Then we will do addition, normal addition. But in your answer will be dash liter dash milliliter. If you add very carefully, you will get the correct answer. Okay, children, can you do it? Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now, question B is of subtraction. Here, the number is this one, this quantity. This quantity is bigger because this has 67 liter, but this has 58 liter only. So, you will write this full first. Then, below, you will write this according to the places as we did in the first case in addition question. But here, you will do subtraction. Okay, very carefully you will do subtraction, then you will get answer as dash liter dash milliliter. Okay, yes, children. Okay, I know that you will do it. Okay, now next is answer directly. That means even though the question is looking very long, it has some tricky methods and you can directly find out the answer. There is no need of writing steps and all. So it is written like this, answer directly. Okay, let me read the question. Radha's mother is ill. The doctor gave 150 ml of medicine. She has to take 5 ml each 3 times a day. In how many days the medicine will finish? Okay, this is a combination of 2 types of questions we discussed in book. You may be remembering. This part is like Neetu's injection, and this part is like Radha's grandmother. Okay, yes. Then Radha's grandmother is ill, and what quantity of medicine was there in the bottle? 150 ml. And how she has to take it? 5 ml each 3 times a day. In one day, 5 ml 3 times. So that means in one day, how many ml will go into her body? Yes, 15 ml she will take. 15 ml in one day she will take. She has to finish 150 ml. So how many days will it take? You can calculate 15 into dash equal to 150. 15 into 10. So how many days will it take? 10 days. That's what I told you. There is no need of calculation. You can do mental calculation. Got it? Okay. Now next is Ram had 1 liter water in his bottle. He drank 340 ml of water. His friend Rahim drank 360 ml of water. How much? Means what quantity of water is left in the bottle. Okay. So here 1 liter water was there and Ram drank 340 and Rahim drank 360. That much 2 quantities are finished. So we have to find out how much water is left out of 1 liter in the bottle. So let us add these two. This addition is also very easy. 300 plus 300 is 600. Okay, children. Now add 60 plus 40. Very easy. 60 plus 40 is 100. 600 plus 100 is 700. That means 700 ml of water is finished out of 1000. So what is left? 1000 minus 700.
300.
300 milliliter is left. See, you can get the answer by mental calculation. Now this is a problem solving sum for you. Sonia collected 10 liter of water. She used 3 liter 450 ml of water for cooking and 4 liter 565 ml of water for drinking. Okay, how much water is left? This is a problem solving sum. So you have to, your calculation is little bit difficult. So you have to write and calculate. So how do you write? Water collected, Sonia collected, total quantity of water, anyway you can write, is equal to 10 liter. Then water used for cooking equal to, see here it is, water for cooking, water used for cooking equal to 3 liter for 50 ml. Water used for drinking equal to 4 liter 565 milliliter. Then what will you do? These two you have to add, is it not? So total water used, in two ways water is used. One is for cooking, one is for drinking. If you feel it difficult, you can write cooking plus drinking. Cooking plus, this is cooking, this is drinking. Cooking plus drinking. Then you can add both. 3 liter for 50 ml, 4 liter 565 ml, you can add, you will get an answer. Then next is water left. Here total water is 10 liter, is it not? So 10 liter has no milliliter. This type of question you have already done. So what will you do? You will write 10 liter 000 milliliter. Then you will do subtraction by borrowing. You will do subtraction, then you will get how much water is left. Can you do it? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try it definitely. That's why
Yes,
I did not
ma'am.
give you the answer.
Okay.
Okay. If you
Ma'am,
have a doubt,
ma'am,
yes.
millimeter L capital लिखना ना ma'am?
Yes. Here no? Here no?
Yes.
Yes. Good. I thought of it, but then it slipped off my mind. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are very attentive. Okay, very attentive. Okay, so M and L capital. Okay, anywhere else I made this mistake? No. Okay. This came to my notice, but I forgot. Okay, thank you. Okay, now definitely you have to do it. If you find any difficulty, you watch the video once again. Then you do it. Okay, children? Okay, let us go from here now. Yes, let us try for some more revision from data class. Let me try. Okay, school's name, username, and password. Let me try signing in. Okay, so we are going to class 4, Jackson Max. Let me see for some quiz questions. Let us try some quiz questions. Okay, here one question is there. Jug A, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, jug A is smaller than jug B. That means when you compare A and B jug, A is smaller, but larger than jug C. That means A is bigger than C. Okay. Which out of the three jugs has the smallest capacity? In out of these three jugs, A, B, and C, which has the least capacity? Did you understand, children? A is smaller than B. That means B is bigger, A is smaller. But here B is larger than C. That means which one is the smallest? Smallest will be, let us try this. Okay, submit. Yes, C will be the smallest. Did you get it? Get the point or not? A is smaller
Yes,
than B. Okay, that means A is small, B is big, and B is larger than C. That means C is the smallest. Okay, children. So, okay. Then now let us go for another question. A milkman had 28 liters of milk. He sold 70 liters of it. Find the quantity of milk left with him. So you have to do a subtraction. 28 minus 17. So let us do forward counting. 17 plus 10 is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So how much? 10 plus 1, 11. 11 liter of milk is left with him. Do you understand, children? 28 minus. Otherwise,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
do like this. 8 minus 7 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. What is it? 11.
11.
Okay. Okay. Let us see. Yes. Again. Now, one more. A drum contains 150 liters of water. If 78 liters of water is withdrawn from it, what is the meaning of withdrawn? Taken away from it, find the quantity of water left in it. That means we have to subtract 78 from 150. Children, if you want, he can write and subtract, no problem. He can do mentally also this way. 78, we reach 80. How much? 2. 78, 78 plus 2 is 80. Then 80 to 150 is how much? 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. How much? 70. And that 2 is there. So 70 plus 2, 72. Okay, children, you can write and subtract also. Okay, got it? Both the things you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to learn. Okay, now let us try some other question. Which container has the largest capacity? There are 4 containers with you and all are having different colors. You have to mention them according to the color. And when you see this, which one you feel having the largest capacity, in which one largest amount of liquid can be, things can be filled? This one, blue one, I feel. So let us try with blue. Okay, let us submit. Yes. Okay, now we will do one more question. How many liters of water can approximately fill a jug? Here one jug is shown. It is not so big like a tank, water tank or anything, is small. Okay, here see the quantities given. 1 liter, 39 liters, 56 liters, 70 liters. This second, third, B, C and D quantities are large quantities, but this jug is a smaller one. So most probably which one will be which is the correct answer? Let us try for 1 liter. Okay, and submit. Got it, children? Okay, shall I move further?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Then which of the following is a standard unit for measuring capacity? Bucket, glass, tank, liter. Now only we discuss this. Which is the standard unit for measuring capacity? It is liter. Okay, children. But what about these 3? We have a special name for such type of measuring capacity units. They are called non-standard units for measuring capacity. Bucket is a non-standard unit. Glass, tank are also non-standard units. Okay, so let us Click litter and submit. Yes, we are correct. Now, this question is of multiply. I don't want to make you multiply. Leave it. This is a question of divide. Leave it. Okay. Yes. See, here is a question. You try whether you can do it or not. If 2 bottles of water fill a jug, okay, and 5 jugs of water fill a bucket, how many bottles of water will be required to fill the bucket? Okay, since it is revision, I would like to explain this and leave it for you. You find out the answer. Okay, if 2 bottles of water fill a jug, that means a jug is equal to 2 bottles of water, and 1 jug is equal to 2 bottles, and 5 jugs fill a bucket. That means 5 jugs means how many bottles? One jug is 2 bottles. So 5 jug is how many bottles? You got it. Yes, you got it. Okay, and it can fill a bucket. Okay, that means 1 bucket means 10 bottles of water. How many bottles of water is required to fill the bucket? You got the answer. You are very intelligent. Okay, so if you told the answer, so let me try it. Okay, you are correct. Clapping for you. Okay, good. Okay,
Thank
all yes. Okay, so we discussed 7 questions out of 9, and I skipped multiplication and division questions that we will do later after learning decimal. Okay, yes. Okay, did you understand the lesson properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, revision questions, I hope you will do it. Okay,
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me log out from here now. Okay, children, and today we will stop our class also here, so all of you can join your hands for Shanti Path. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay, children, take care.